Hello friends and potential friends. I'm not sure if I've talked about this one before, but I think you know from previous videos that I've got some pineapples I've been growing. This guy here decided to give me another pineapple. Now to be fair, that's about the size of a golf ball. Got a little top starting to form on it. Cute little thing, little flowers around the edges. This particular pineapple plant, basically I bought a pineapple at Wally World, brought it home and ate it and planted its top in this pot. It started growing, and the first year it was in the pot it grew another pineapple. At the same time it started growing this other pineapple plant out of the side, out of the base of the original plant. Eventually I harvested that pineapple that grew there and I planted it in this pot over here. It's the big guy. A little bit of yellowing at the tips of the leaves. Meanwhile, the original plant died off and its daughter continued growing, and this year it's given me that little pineapple. Also, the one video I did, I think I went and bought another pineapple and planted it, and that's what I got over here. No signs of producing any fruit yet. But this one, that makes me happy. I'm going to get another pineapple out of that, it looks like. May not be real big, but it'll be homegrown. Everything else around here growing fairly good, considering that I don't know what's going on, but it's what, April 10th, 11th, and our high is supposed to be about close to 70 degrees today. In the last few years, by this time, we were well into the 80s. My tomatoes were already dying off, all the cold weather crops were already dying off, and this year I can't get any of the warm weather crops to even produce. I've got a bunch of peppers that I've planted, and they're struggling because it's kind of chilly. But this little pineapple gives me some hope, so hopefully I'll have another fruit salad here before too long. And I'll have another pineapple top that I can plant out here. It'll give me 4 if all works well. But that's my status so far. Talk to you later.